A yard on the side of the highway by the Harrison River. Couple pieces. Link belt, looks like a 2800 delimber. Cat log loader, regular heel grapple. Possibly sporting a few issues. Got one track off it, an idler missing out of it. Some sort of, looks like a chipper, mobile chipper. A Hyundai, probably a 290. Don't see much Hyundai stuff down here in this part of BC. Up in the interior is a lot more. The Okanagan. I don't even know if we have a Hyundai dealer down here. That one's got a button top grapple on it. Basically a fixed grapple with a heel on each side and rotate motors. And a 2800 link belt, another one, Quantum Series. Got a Pierce carrier, looks like. Carrier, Pierce head, attachment, processor. Probably has a bar saw on it. High lift under the boom. And there we go. Few roadside pieces. Actually, if you can see far enough, this will be a shot in the dark. Way the heck out there is a link belt. That's the log dump for Harrison. It's way out on the, it used to be on wooden stilts on piling way back in the day, and then it rotted out in the 50s or 60s and they filled it all in with gravel, but it's out there on the water. So, alright, there you go. More junk.